Hello guys, welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. In today's class, we'll be considering the substitution method of solving simultaneous equation. Remember we discussed the elimination method in the last class, and I said I was going to introduce the substitution method in today's class. So let's dive in. What is substitution? Substitution means that if I have x plus 5 is equals to x plus y is equals to 6, and I come and tell you that our x is equals to 6, what it means that I've already given the answer to this question, because all you need to do is what? Substitute what? X as 6. Anywhere I see x, replace it with what? 6. So that is exactly what we are going to do here. So let us dive in so you see how it's done. We have that 4x minus 3 is equals to 3x plus y, and 3x plus y is equals to what? 2y plus 5x minus what? 12. Now, you might ask, what is this in a simultaneous equation? Because from the last one I did, it was just straightforward. Now, there are some simultaneous equations they will give you. You have to first of all rearrange and simplify it before you start solving, okay? And remember that we always push the constants over. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push this negative. This is my equation 1. 4x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus y. That's my equation 1. And 3x plus y is equal to 2y plus 5x minus 12. This is my equation 2. But I cannot solve it this way. I want to first of all rearrange it and kind of simplify it before I start solving. So what I'm going to do for this particular one now, I'll move my x and y over here. I'll move negative 3 here. So if I do that, I'm going to have 4x. Then if 3x comes over here, it's going to give negative 3x. Then what? Negative y is equals to what? Positive 3. So I've rearranged this. I moved everything here. I moved 3 here. So if I simplify this, it's going to give me what? 4x minus 3 is going to give me what? X minus y is equals to 3. So this is now my what? My main equation 1. You see my equation 1? I just simplified it. So coming over to this side now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move negative 12 over here and move the whole of this over here. So if I move negative 12 over here, it's going to be 12 is equals to what? 2y, that is here, plus what? 5x, then minus what? 3x minus what? Y. Because everything here, once you come here, it becomes what? It will start bearing a negative sign. So this can solve. 5x minus 3x will give me what? 2x. I can decide to start with x, okay? 2y minus y will give me what? Plus y. So you have that 12 is equals to what? 2x plus y. If I rearrange it, it's same thing as 2x plus y is equals to 12. So this is now my equation what? 2. So I've gotten my equation 1 and equation 2. Now let me just apply the substitution method. Yeah. Remember that in elimination, I have to bring both of them together, then find the LCM of the coefficient that I want to affect, then what? Use a number to multiply to it to give me that coefficient. Then I'll now use plus or minus what to eliminate, because it's plus or minus you use to eliminate. But in this case, from here now, I can make x to be subject of the formula. So I can just write from equation 1, this is my equation 1, which is what? X minus y is equals to 3. You can say that your x is equals to what? 3 plus y. And this will now be my new equation 3. I just made x to become the subject of the formula. That's all I did. So the next thing to do is what? Put this equation 3, put equation 3 inside equation 2. So I've made x the subject of formula from equation 1 and again equation 3. And I'm going to put equation 3 inside equation 1. What does it mean to put equation 3 inside equation 1? Anywhere you see x, replace it with what? 3 plus what? Y. So look at my equation what? Equation 2 here. My equation 2 is 2x plus y is equals to what? 12. So replacing here, x here with 3 plus y, you have that 2 bracket what? 3 plus y is equals to what? 12. Now use this and expand. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times y is what? 2y plus what? Y is equals to 12. Now if I solve this, it's going to give me 6 plus 3y is equals to what? 12. Now move 6 over, that is collecting what? Like terms. Move 6 over here, you have that 3y is equals to what? 12 minus 6. Okay? If you have solved that, you're going to have 3y is equals to what? 6. Dividing through by what? 3. You have that your y is equals to what? 2. So you have gotten your what? Y as 2. Okay? Now what do you do here now? It's very, very simple. Put your y, because you've gotten y, but you have to get x and y so that the equation will be complete. Okay? So now say put y equals to 2. That is the answer you get. In what? Equation 3. Once you get it, just put it inside equation 3. Why? Because in equation 3, x is already the subject of the formula. So all you need to do is what? Substitute the value of what? Y here. And you get your x. So what is the equation 3? My equation 3 is what? X is equals to 3 plus y. So replacing this y with your what? 2 here, because that's what I did here. You have that your x is now going to be 3 plus 2, and you see that your x is equals to what? 5. So in this equation, we've solved, and we have seen that what? That our x is equals to what? 5, and our y is equals to what? 2. And that is the substitution method. That's how it's done. If you have any question or comment, please put it in the comment section and I will tend to them. Thank you and bye-bye.